Me Fun Factory. Today we are going to play an amazing guessing game. Are you excited?
Yes, Mom, I am excited.
Okay. So here comes our first word.
Cabbage.
Awesome. Very good. Now let's check the second one.
Cactus.
Very good. Can you guess what is this one? Isn't it yummy?
Cake.
Very good. Perfect answer. Now this one also starts with C.
Candle.
Okay, can you guess this one now?
Car.
Very good. And can you guess this C vegetable?
Carrot.
Now, can you guess this C animal?
Cat.
Amazing. What is this thing?
Chair.
Very good. What is the name of this yummy fruit?
Cherry.
Excellent. Now let's see what is this.
Clock.
Is this next C word?
Cloud.
Very good. Now try to guess this one.
Clown.
This is a clown. Amazing. Now try to guess this one.
Coat.
Now, what is this thing? We use this daily.
Comb.
Very good. And this one, which is your favorite?
A cookie.
Yes, C for cookie. Amazing. Now let's see another thing.
Crayon.
Yes, colorful crayons. Now the next one. Can you guess what is this?
Crown.
Yes, all of you are wearing a wonderful crown. That's really nice because you are all the winners of the sea guessing game. You have guessed all the correct words. Keep it up and thanks for learning with us today.
And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.